In this video, we will learn how to add a custom domain on Vercel. First, log into your Vercel account and go to your dashboard. In the top right corner, click on the Add New button. From the drop-down menu, select Domain. Now, you will see two options. You can buy a new domain through Vercel or add an existing one that you already own. Choose the option that works best for you. In this tutorial, I will go with an existing domain. Next, Vercel will ask you to select a project. Choose the project that you want to connect to your custom domain. After that, you will be asked to enter your domain name. Type your domain name in the field provided and click Add. Vercel will now show you a set of name servers or DNS records. These records are important because they connect your domain to Vercel. Keep this page open and open a new tab. Go to your domain provider's website, where you bought your domain. Log in and go to Manage Domain. Look for the DNS Manager or DNS Settings section. Here, you will see a place to add CNAME or A records. Copy the records provided by Vercel and paste them into the fields provided by your domain provider. Save the changes. After updating your DNS records, it may take some time for the changes to update across the internet. Once that is done, your project on Vercel will be live and accessible using your custom domain. That's it. Thanks for watching.